Let's learn how you can always win a tournament in Monopoly Go. So let us open our game. Now, when I used to play on my Facebook account, I found out that the most tournaments are bots. So you're basically playing against game. What this mean? Uh, Basically, game know how much dices you have, and game knows, for example, what choices will be on bank haste. You can't control it. So basically, if you try to go to bigger hunt, bigger heist, it everything depends on game. And for the bots, I found out that the smaller amount of dices you have, basically the game will want you to buy more. So if you have fewer less amount of dices than bot, game will push bot first, and that's how they make you buy dices for real money. So what you want to do is to stack dices, join 2 or 3 hours before tournament end, and just multiple all rewards and just go auto rolling as much dice as you have, so you can like jump out from the bots and place first, and they won't have time to get you because you already joined late, like 1 or 2 hours before the tournament ending. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.